Morning students, today we are going to learn the new topic, the grammar junction of the second chapter, the definite article. Let us discuss what is there given in your text. So usually the article has two types, that is the indefinite article and the definite article. A and come under the category of indefinite article, the come under the category of definite article. Let us see where we will place the definite articles. So read the lines from the poem. So they had given some line from the poem. Let us read that. It was a long ago. An old woman I remember in a red shawl with a grey cat on her knee humming under the tree. An old woman. They had used the word an old woman. It's an old woman. An is mentioned in a dark color. She seemed the oldest thing I can remember, but then perhaps I was not more than 3. It was long ago. It is given in page number 28. You go through it. And the first stanza they had said an old woman, and the second stanza they had used the oldest thing. I dragged on the dusty road and I remember how the old women look over the fence at me and seems to know. So the words which is given in the bold, and the old woman, the old man. So let us see what is that. Notice how at the first article an is used while referring an old woman. So at the first they had used the word an for the old woman. However, once she is introduced, the is used to refer her. So while introducing her, they had used the indefinite article an, because it is in front of the vowel sound A-E-I-O-U. Old women, O sound is there. That's why they had used the indefinite article and there. So now that the referring at the next time what they had used. However, once she was introduced, the is used for her. So here now how the old woman look over the fence at me. So the next, while referring her, once again they had used the word the definite article. We use the definite article the to refer to the any noun we have already spoken about or introduced. If we spoke something earlier, if you want to introduce her again, then there we will use the defining the particular noun or the person. When we are sure that the reader know exactly what we are referring to. So now we come to know while introducing her, an old woman, they had mentioned an old woman, because O is there, it have a vowel sound, O sound is there, that's why we had used an old woman. So at the next stanza, how the old woman look over the fence at me. Here they had used the old woman. Why they had used the word how the old woman. So here they had used the old women, because here already they had said as the old woman. So now they had used the old woman. So they are referring, once again they are referring to the women next time. Second time they are referring the women. So it is an old woman. In the second stanza, the definite article is used with an in the second stanza, the definite article is used with a noun that is describing the superlative adjective. So you read the second stanza, she seemed the oldest thing. So they are used the in front of the superlative degree. The old woman has been described using the superlative adjective, the oldest, we have to use with the such pronoun. So we are using the before the superlative degree. So the two things we had learned. First we had seen what is the definite article and the indefinite article. A and we will use as an indefinite article. A is used in front of the consonant sound, and is used in front of the vowel sound A-E-I-O-U. So only sound, we should not see the word letter, we should concentrate only on the sound. So next we are going to learn about the definite article. The definite article is described in your book. There is a definite article. So in wherever we will use first thing we will use for representing the particular noun. because here we had in the poem itself they had given two examples. The first stanza they had introduced an old women, because it is the usual article we are using there, because it is a old women. Old is begin with the sound of vowel, so they had used an there. And the third stanza what they said, they had how the old women they had used the word. So again they are mentioning the same old women, those who had introduced at the beginning itself. So again we are representing that old woman. So we had using the here. Okay, particular women. So that's why we are using the old women. And the second stanza, the oldest thing, in front of the superlative degree, we had to use that. So two things we had studied. First one, while we had to describe any particular noun, there we have to use what we are already spoken about that particular thing, there we can use the and in front of the superlative degree. Okay, let's look at some more rules related to the definite article there. So they had given some rules wherever we can use the definite article there. We use the when there is only one of something, only one thing is there we will use definite article. The moon, only one moon is there. The sun, the earth. So we in all this thing we can use only, there is only one thing, so we can use the sky. We should not say a sky or an sky. This is the sky. And Dad, can I borrow the car? So only one car is there, so he is representing that particular car, so we can using there. We use the before musical instrument. We use the before musical instrument. So wherever we will talk about musical instrument, we have to use the. See, the Jenny play the piano very well. So piano is a musical instrument, so we had used the. You have tried learning how to play the guitar. So the guitar. So in front of the we can use musical instrument, we can use the. So the flute, the piano, the guitar, whatever may be, we use the in front, only in front of the musical instrument. The first thing we can use only one thing. When we represent only one particular thing, we will use the second point in front of the musical instruments. We use the when we want to talk about the certain service. So when we talk about certain services like police, ambulance, there we will say the nurse. So the police, the ambulance, we can use that. We can use with the adjectives like poor, rich, elder, unemployed to talk about the group of people. When we talk about the group of people, as well as we will talk about the adjectives, we will use the. See, they had given. The winter was very hot for the poor. So it's poor. What type of people they are? It's an adjective. So we had used the there. This service has been started for the blind. So what type of people they are? The blind people. So it's an adjective. So we are using the in front of the blind and the poor. We do not use the with the name of the countries. For example, we do not say the Indians. So in front of the country we won't use the Japan, the Indians, the Chinese, we should not say. It is wrong. The China, we should not say. In front of the country name we won't use the. But we use it in the name of the countries in the plural form. So when the country is in the plural form, it has a plural form, there we will use the. So such as Netherlands, we used to say Netherlands, sorry, Netherlands. Here it is a land, it's in the plural form, so we will use yes there. But in India, we should not say India's, only India. Apostrophe, we can use apostrophe yes and say India's. There we should not, only if we use only India, in front of the country we won't use the. So the country which is in the plural form we will use the Netherlands. But we won't say the India, the China, we won't say. And if the country has a word Reich, Republic, Kingdom, States in its name. If the country have the name of Republic, Kingdom, States, United, if it come like that, we will use the. We should not say the America, but we can say the United States of America. When the land has a plural form, we can use the Republic China, the Republic of China, but we won't say the China. It is wrong. The Republic of China, we can say the, but we won't say the China. It's wrong. And we can use the Kingdom of Bhutan. we can use the Kingdom of Bhutan, the United States of America. See, the Republic, the Kingdom, the United, in such words we can use the states, United States. Here the land is in the plural form, so we can use the. If it is a singular name, we won't use the. The India, the Japan, the China, but we can say the Republic of China. We won't say the America. We can say the United States of America. So I hope you had understand what's the difference between using this the or you won't use the. Okay. Okay, the next one. See, also we use the with the mountain, range, region, group of island, well-known buildings and the monuments, ocean, sea, river and the name of directions. So we will use the in front of mountains, ranges, mountain range, the Himalaya, the Aravalli range. We can use the in front of such words. And the region, the places we can use, the group of island, the Andaman and Nicobar, the Lakshadweep we can say. Well-known buildings, so for the well-known famous building also we can use the. And the monuments, what's the difference between building and monument? Building is a thing which is constructed by brick and stones, we can say cement building. What is monuments? Monuments means if we build a building in the memory of something. Taj Mahal is a monument, it won't consider as a building because in the memory of Mumtaz, Shah Jahan had built it. So that is a monument. Ocean, we can use the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Sea, the Mediterranean Sea. River, the Ganga, the Yamuna. The name of the direction, we can use the north, the east. The sun rises in the east, we will say. So in the direction, name of the direction also we will. So we will use the name of the mountain ranges, regions, group of islands, ocean, well-known buildings and monuments, ocean, river, sea, and also the name of the directions. We say the radio, but we do not use the with the television, the with the television. So we will say the radio, but we won't say the television. We say that we are going to the theatre and cinema. We do not use that the definite article with the person name unless we are using the family on the plural. So we will say the radio, we won't say the television. We will use the in front of the cinema and the theatre, and we won't use the in front of the person, people name, but in front of the family name we will use the. They had given example. Sarah Smith is coming to school. Sarah Smith is coming to school. So Sarah Smith, they had not used the in front of the Sarah Smith. But the next sentence, the Smiths are coming to my house for dinner. The Smiths, it's a family name. In front of the family name we can use the, but in front of the people name we should not use the. So you have to know the difference between where we have to use the and where we should not use the. Okay, let me revise the points which is given, rules which is given in the book. So first we can use the to represent only one thing, and musical instrument. The third one about the certain services, and the fourth one in front of the adjectives, and the fifth one we can use, we should not use in front of the countries, we can use in the country name in the plural form, like the Netherlands, the Republic, the Kingdom, the United States. If we have a name in such way, then we can use the. And in front of the mountains, mountain ranges, regions, ocean, islands, well-known buildings, monuments, oceans, rivers, sea, all these things we can, direction, name of the directions we can use the. And we will use the radio, we should not use the television. We will use the cinema, the theatre, but we won't use the television. Okay, and we will use the in front of the family name, not the person, people's name. Okay, you have to know the difference. Let me write, we will do the book exercise of page number 30 and 31. See, take the sentence that use a definite article. So he had to find out where they had used the definite article. So I love eating chocolate. They had not used any definite article. The second sentence, that is the guy who won the prize. So second, they had used the prize. So we have to have a tick mark in the second box. I went to the USA and meet Obama. The USA, definite article they had used. So third one also you have to make a tick. And the fourth one, I live in Madrid. No word is, definite article is used there. So we should not tick there. And the fifth one, I am so excited to be finally seeing the Taj Mahal. So they had used the Taj Mahal. So there. So the B, C and E is a sentence they had used a definite article. So have a tick mark at B, C as well as in the E. Okay. Underline the option that best complete the sentence. So we have to underline. Better you can write in the blank which is given in your book. It's in the page number 30. See my dear, underline the option that complete the sentence. So the people who disregards the law are sent to dash. In bracket they had given the prison. We won't use the in front of prison. So we have to use, it is a second A. So we will write only prison. Okay. Next we will go to the B one. I think we shall call dash police. Police is a service. So in front of the service we will use the. So the police. And the C, dash is the largest continent. So in front of the country continent we won't use. So Asia is the largest continent. Asia. Next, a girl and a boy come in. The ash was elder to the boy. So already they had used a boy and a girl. So they are mentioning the particular girl. So at the next, if we talk about something at the already we had spoken about her. Again we are using the word. So we have to use the girl, not a girl. The girl. And the next one, who is dash person in your family? Smartest. Smartest is a superlative degree. So definitely the smartest. Okay, copy down in your book. Rewrite the sentence after inserting the definite article wherever required. So they had given exercise there we have to rewrite the sentence. So they had given there is one blank is there, at the blank we have to rewrite the sentence by inserting the definite article wherever it is required. So we have to rewrite the sentence. Let me do the exercise now. This exercise you supposed to do, but I am doing. See, do you know Gupta? They live next house. So Guptas, here they had mentioned the word Guptas. So Guptas is a name of the family. So we can use the in front of the Guptas. So do you know the Guptas? How we will write? Do you know the Guptas? Guptas is a word, name of the families. So do you know the Guptas? They lived next door. Next B. I love book that you gave me. So I love which book? The book. So I love the book. It particularly representing about the denoting the book which you bought. So I love the book that you gave me. Next. I always listen to radio in the morning. So in front of the radio we have to use the definite article. So I always listen to the radio in the morning. Okay. Next, she is learning how to play flute. Flute is a musical instrument. So, in front of the musical instrument, we have to use the. So, she is learning how to play the flute. Okay, have you seen Gate of India? So, wherever Gate of India, so it is a monument. So, we have to use the Gate of India. Have you seen the Gateway of India? Gateway of India. Copy down in your book. Thank you, my dear students.